It's a 2016 Audi Q3. Style and substance are the key components of this Q3. So no matter where you run off to, you have the perfect vehicle. Inside, heated leather seats and dual-zone climate control pamper you. The entertainment options range from HD radio technology to Audi music interface to the gas pedal attached to the 200 horsepower turbocharged TFSI engine. The panoramic moonroof, Parking System Plus with rear view camera, and Audi Advance Key are just a few of the many features designed to help you enjoy every part of your trip.
Multi-zone climate control lets you and your passengers pick a personal temperature.
It's the answer you've been seeking. Come in for a test drive of this Q3 today.
The Audi Auto Gallery, 21301 Ventura Boulevard in Woodland Hills, California.